Tiger snake. He's right there. And it's still going. We get him on the camera or not? Probably not. G'day folks, welcome to the show. Today we're at
Narawntapu
National Park and we're heading round to Cove. Come with me and my nephew Jake to have a look around this beautiful area.
Here we go, there's the ocean.
I know you're not going to see this in the video, but that's where we're heading up. It's fairly steep. So that's Far Point. That's where we're heading. So this is the beach, which is absolutely magnificent today. Beautiful. And then that township there in the mouth of the river that you can see, that's Port Sorrel, down onto the, that's where we've walked through all that dense scrub there at the bottom of the hill on the front. What would you say, Jakey? We're about 4 k's in, 5 k's in?
Yeah, about just under 4.
There we go.
Getting there.
I'm not sure what happens there. The blue with the devil. Because that's the devil track there. Wowzers. Okay, we've made the beach. I'll double check in a minute what the beach is. But that's where we've just come from, up on there. And that's Archer's Knob, Baker's Beach. I'll just show you. I don't know whether GoPro will pick that up. That's Port Sorrel. There's Archer's Knob there. There's some people walking up there now. And then we're going to head, not the first land that you can see, but the second one around. So we've still got some walking to do. We better get cracking. Let's go. I don't know if you can see them disappearing into the sand. They're all soldier crabs. Beach was covered on them and then they're all gone as I get close. So we walked along the beach. We've got to the headlands. This could be some puffing and panting going on here. Let's go. Cove, 2 k's. Tiger snake. He's right there. And it's still going. We get him on the camera or not? Probably not. That's the cove between the 2 headlands. I'm assuming that's Badger's Head?
Yes.
Yep.
I believe so.
There you go. Okay, so we'll just drop down into the cove here. See any more snakes? We've got to kick off the track. Saw one, God knows how many we didn't see. Okay, let's go. Oh yes! So there you go. Copper Cove. Jake is putting some salt water on his blister. What a magic day. Absolutely magnificent. Alright mate, what did you think of that?
Beautiful. Couldn't have got a better day for it.
The track?
Pretty easy. Yeah, pretty easy going. Couple little hilly sections, but pretty flat underfoot and pretty easy going.
Yeah. You sent the big fella up the front, knocked the snakes out of the way.
Yeah, he had the gaiters on and the jeans. I thought it was a waste to wear jeans on a 25, 26 degree day and not be shooing the snakes off the truck.
Good on you, that shit. Bloody oath. Bloody oath. Right, I'll remember you. Right. I'm starting to get a bit hungry. I'm going to have a chew. Catch you later. So we're looking for a track to follow. Hang on, there's a sign up here. Yeah, just a track. Nothing special. Oh, there you go. A track. Let's follow that. So we're just about to head down, back down onto the beach and back to the car. I thought we'd give you a look at the view before we do, because it's just picturesque up here today. Absolutely stunning. Hear all the bees in there.
Let me tell you a little bit about the walk. This beautiful coastal walk begins at the Visitors Centre located at Spring Lawn. From here you follow along Archer's Knob track to Baker's Beach. If you decide to detour around Archer's Knob like we did for a magnificent panoramic view of the coast, this added an additional 3/4 of an hour to our walking time. From the eastern end of Baker's Beach is a zigzag track to Little Badger's Head before descending into the secluded and picturesque Copper Cove. The track resumes at the headlands to the tiny settlement at Badger's Head from the eastern end of Baker's Beach and is approximately 6 kilometres. Baker's Beach is also a popular location for swimming and line fishing. Come prepared to enjoy calming coastal waters like we got today.
If bloody Jake stopped taking us on a wild goose chase, I reckon we'd be back at the car park. Good work, mate. Okay, let's go. There's the fella. She said, I don't like you, Jake. Here's the Visitors Centre. So we'll walk from here. Archer's Knob, Copper Cove, back along the beach, and back in through there. Play the push. Well, thanks for joining Jake and I on our walk round to Copper Cove today. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks again for dropping by. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. And to all my old time subscribers, yes, I will get some bike videos out very shortly. Bear with me. Alright, thanks again. Catch you next time. It's been a cracking day, but it's time for a beer. Let's go. Let's go, Jakey. Let's go and get a beer, mate.